Hey everyone, Josh here, and we're out at Gwabegar now, a little town we used to live in for about 6 years, and this is the old sawmill I used to work on. Man, I spent 6 years working here, and it doesn't look like it used to look, but yeah, it's abandoned now, but yeah, have a look. Alright, so they've demolished it all and pulled all stuff apart. Looks like some scrappies have been here and pulled all the copper out of them. A few of these motors. This is where we used to live. Like, this is how far my house was from work. It was a pretty wild old house, but yeah, check it out. So we had a fence around it, and I had a shed up the back that I built, and yeah, this place was wild as. We used to have a bath. We used to have a bathtub out here with a fire underneath it to keep warm. But yeah, let's go in and have a look. It's pretty rough, but yeah, there's a lot of bird shit in here now. This is our room. There. That was the spare room. Here's the kitchen. This is their dining room. That was the fireplace. But yeah, it was free rent, so it was pretty good. But yeah, just pretty rough, but we didn't mind. We were only young at the time, and yeah, look at this place, man. It's bloody beautiful out here. Just down the way there's a creek, and when that was flowing, man, that was nice. We used to go down there of an arvo after work and have a good swim and a bath in the creek. But yeah, it brings back some memories coming out here. Yeah, check it out. The logs used to come through here and get cut there, and they used to go up here. Remember Nathan Olsen used to work up here? And then they used to square the logs off, and then they'll drop onto here. Then you'd have Barry Kenny here and Skinny here, benching the logs, or Dansy. And they'd come through here, and yeah, they'd run the logs into boards there. They'd drop over here, and this is where we had the docking saw, and we used to stack the timber out here. But see that elevator here used to go up, and there used to be a fire pit at the end. That's where they used to burn all the offcuts, so there was always a fire going constantly. which was wasn't good when the wind was blowing back this way. But yeah, man, this place is run down. Probably about 16 years ago when I was working here, and that's when I left when it shut down. And look, it's just pretty much abandoned now, and everyone's been taking stuff away. But yeah, there used to be a big shed here, and that's where the planer was, and we used to plane all the timber boards into floorboards and decking. And this is the old work shed here. They used to fix stuff up.
Is it gonna hurt?
No, it won't kick.